Alright, so in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to replace your ink for your Canon Pro PIXMA Pro 100. This printer takes a 42s. This is a slim one. So go ahead and open this up and get it ready to go in. Just open the front up and wait for the printer to reposition. Now, if you have one that's out, it'll tell you because the red light will be flashing and you'll know right away. I'm gonna go ahead and replace the, let's see, what do we have here? The photo magenta. First thing you do is remove this seal right here, which allows air in. And then you flip it upside down where the orange cap is face up. Be sure not to block the air hole. Twist it, and it'll come right off. See a little bit in there? You should always expect just a little bit. These are under pressure, and that's why you have the air hole. And just be cautious when you're opening this. All right, we'll go ahead and insert it. When I put it in the printer, the front will angle down and then it'll lock in place with me pushing the back down once the front stops, as so. All right, now we'll close it up and do a test print. Alright, that about wraps this video up. This is Lars. If you have any questions about anything you saw in this video, please comment below if there's a comment box, or else you can email us, customerservice@yoyoink.com. Until next time.